Okay, so welcome back. So what we did today, is the first stage of this process of your transformation journey, which is, this is what we did, the part. And how you're moving from the initial stage of feeling out of alignment. Actually, here was the same lady standing here. Somehow I couldn't print it. So here is the feeling of out of alignment. We went to the first stage this whole workshop. And we're going all the way to the bloom stage. So we're working ourselves consciously through this journey. That conscious work, bear in mind, will work beautifully and very quickly in very conflicted parts of your life. Why? Because you're working with the unconscious world, okay? You're working deliberately with those, making those unconscious things, or maybe you're conscious of other patterns, that you randomly do become conscious, and you improve that and move that forward. Doing that, having access to that unconscious world, changes things hugely in monumental ways, really. And you can create a map for your health, for your wealth, your relationships, what we're doing now, finding the connection with relationships. You create it in all different aspects of your life. You apply this structure, and all issues will utterly be solved in a very short period of time. You will see it. You start to behave differently and act differently. Now, practically, coming at the end, as you see, everything has been recorded and will be sent to you, only to you, for you to replay again and again, as many times as you want. Redo the exercise again and again, as many times as you want. And the meditation as many times as you want, okay? So, I will send everything to you. Now, the next workshop is scheduled for Sunday, June 30. Okay, which will be, of course, the next stage, which is the seed. Okay, and the next workshop is the stem, and the next workshop is the bud, and then the bloom, and so on and so on. So same procedure is valid. Okay, all of you who are sitting here, you always need to prepare to save your seed. For you it was okay, it was still space, that's fine, and no problem at all. But you save your seeds, and if you make a full prepayment by Sunday, June 16, you again have 20% off. Okay, you now become a Yogavina member as well. So you'll get all the information. After June 16, if you bring a friend of somebody new, and you didn't pay in full, you also have the possibility to still have the 20% discount. This is the bring a friend discount, let's just say. It's also 20%. So let's say it's Monday, June 17, and you invite somebody new or two people, you all get this 20% off. So still €36. But even then, I need a prepayment to reserve your spot. As you see, it's very small in here. So, okay. And you need to enroll online. Okay, fill in the form, and as you bring friends who are new, just let them send me an email, and then I will send them the link to enroll online. And you, of course, now can enroll via the email. Okay, there is a button in the email. I hopefully to send a new communication in the next few days. With the theme, what we are going to do, it's going to be like the same structure, okay? A lecture, the same thing, an exercise, the same, another exercise, of course, and meditation, okay?
Is it still possible to bring a friend even if they missed like
this part?
stage?
Yeah, Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the second stage yours as well?
Yeah. If they want, they
Yeah.
can.
Okay.
They can. If you say, yeah, but you missed the first part, if they want still to join, bring them along, okay? But please let them reserve their spots so that otherwise I need to look for another location, okay? So voila. I hope to see all of you again the next session, so that you can work yourself through this bloom of who you are. And for now, there's nothing for me more to tell than just to thank you very much for your presence, your energy, your attendance, your cooperation. And I really hope you enjoyed it, you find it enlightening and motivating to continue working on your internal world, okay? To become the flower as you are. And remember, I'm going to close with a quote. And you all know this, the ones who are already members. Transformation happens when you have clarity, not goals. And never forget, your sensitivity is your greatest asset. Even if you don't believe it right now, it will, okay? One day you will believe it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.